Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got an unboxing for you. Now, not very often I do an unboxing video. Well, there's a few I suppose, but nothing that's 30 years out of date. So what I present to you, 30 years, I've never had one of these myself, but it's a Sinclair ZX Spectrum 128 plus 3 in the Curry's pack. So it comes with a free live ammo. What? Oh, I think it comes with Top Gun, Rambo, Green Beret, Great Escape, Army Moves, I think that says under there. Includes 6 games and joystick. Model may vary. Also, so you're not actually getting what is inside here then. Right, Curry's is a retailer from the UK which is no longer around. I think it was part of the Dixon's store group, which Dixon's aren't around, Curry's aren't. Actually, Curry's around. It's Curry's PC World now, isn't it? Because they're all part of the same gubbins and whatever anyway, so they all kind of merged. They all become PC World and Curry's. Yeah, so Curry's is around. But, right, basically, this was a retail pack sold at the end of the life of the Spectrum, just to try and get people into the last bits of the Spectrum, to try and get them buying in the disk drive before the Amstrad, but before, is it 464? And then Sinclair eventually brought the QL out. I'd love a QL, never going to receive one. I know that for a fact. Now this I actually bought off of Facebook, just from Michael in Chesterfield. Love you to bits for selling me this. It doesn't work, but that's for another video. It does work, but there's something wrong with the floppy drive, so we're going to have to do a strip down video for that. But for this video, this is an unboxing. So let's get into this. Here we go. Right. Let's look at the normal box artwork, shall we? It's a little bit, I can't get it all in anyway. 2 joystick ports, also loads from data recorder, not included. Massive 128K. 128K, really. That's same as the box art on the front, and then the side bit there as well. So, I know this side comes open. I need to be careful because this is 30-year-old cardboard and it doesn't work that well. So open, box it goes. Opening the box. Right, inside this, from what Michael gave me, was a few discs. I don't know if these are, I assume these aren't originals, but yeah, they've got the labels on. The Amstrad Super Test looks original. Locomotive Software, that's an original. It also came with another one as well in the box, the leaderboard. I think this is, yeah, that's an original as well. Again, we don't know if this works because the drive doesn't, but this is what came with this one. None of these are original games that came with the Plus 3. We'll put them to one side for a second. Inside as well is a fully boxed Spectrum SJS1. I have 2 of these already. It looks a little bit loose. I might be able to get this to pieces, and because there was a strip down I did with 2 of these, and for some reason one was really loose, so it was well and truly used, and I don't know what I did. I stripped it down, put it back together again, and it was absolutely spot on like new. So we'll give that another bit of retro tech magic, shall we say. I still don't know what I did right, but it works. It works perfect. So that's still in the box, which is nice. I've got 3 of those now. Get them to one side. Now, here is the good bit. Now the box is empty in there. There's nothing in here. So that's the outer packaging done. We're down to beautiful dark box for the Plus 3, which just actually fits on camera. That's quite nice. Box art, it's very basic, but it's very nice artwork. Sides have just got exactly the same, just a bit shorter, you can see on there. So let's get into this Plus 3, and you can already hear that it's still in its original polystyrene. So, the other side popped open as well. So again, nothing in the box. And you couldn't see that, but it's nice to actually get things that are in their original boxes. And what that is, bogey, piece of rubber. Yeah, piece of rubber. Right. And as usual, there's always something on. There you go, there's the arrows. It's saying, hey, wrong way round. Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 3. I mean, these boxes on their own, on eBay, for no reason, go for a fortune. It's just... oh... it's ridiculous how people... I know I've got a lot of stuff, and I've got my original rubber keyed Spectrum 48K in the box, and it's absolutely mint, and I love it to bits. The other thing I've got boxed is the Fairchild, but that's... it's gorgeous in there, and bet it's never going to come out very often. And there's not much else original I've actually got properly boxed, so this is actually really exciting. Oh, pretty. A little dirty, a little fluffy, but we're doing stuff with the Plus 2 that I bought that was rusty up. Well, rusted up, shall we say. Look at this, it even smells like it's old. Oh, it's amazing. Mike likes to try this already, and it does work, but according to him, the drive would light up, click a few times, but then wouldn't actually read. This looks smaller than the Plus 2. I don't know. Let's get this fully out. There's no instructions book with this, which doesn't matter. I'm not fully bothered. Coax cable. The original one would have come with lots of other bits and bats. Instructions book, lots of other introduction discs or something. Gosh, that is... oh, that needs a good clean blowout. Now, I've actually already bought a Plus 2 power supply, but if I can find it, I'll compare it. And size-wise, there's a little difference there. So obviously there's this tiny bit difference there. I want to check the socket, because I actually need to use this on the Plus 2 to see if... oh, that's good. Now it says this Plus 3 power supply and the Plus 3 actually work. So, and I've got problems with this anyway at the moment. So I am filming kind of both the Plus 2 and the Plus 3 simultaneously now, as well as my Ataris. So it'll all come out eventually, it'll be fine. But I should be able to use this power supply on that anyway. So look at the ratings. 220 40. You can see these. Plus 5 2 amp, 700. Wow, a lot more amps on for the Plus 12. 700 milliamps, 200 milliamps on this one. So it's a lot inferior power supply, this one, but should work absolutely spot on. I shouldn't have a problem testing my Plus 2 with this. So let's get rid of this one for the time being. That shall appear in another video. Right. I know I'm naive. It's a polystyrene degrading onto the plastic. That'll get cleaned off. And I'm a little naive and whatever, but I'm going to plug this in. No sound, which is good but bad. Alright, let's turn that off again. Let's see if this actually does power up. There's actually a size difference between the Plus 2 and Plus 3. Yeah, they're exactly the same size. They are a different mould, because obviously this keyboard then slides into, or raises up, shall we say. Yeah, it's the same height, it's just about. It is obviously a different mould to get this on anyway, but it's very, very extraordinarily similar. But obviously not. We have the floppy drive on it. So let's go power in. Let's see if she works. Right. Oh. Okay. The power's on. Reset again. So she does work perfectly fine. She's powering up. There's no reason why it shouldn't work. This was his home computer for quite a number of years. one thing that's on here that's missing on mine is the F key. But I can't, I should be able to. If I'm stripping this down, I might actually be able to use that and show you a completed +2. But it belongs on here anyway, but that's me thinking out loud. The disk drive doesn't... Ooh. That powered down then. That to me sounds like the motor. The motor's going round. Oh, okay. I've never had one of these discs before. They're 3-inch discs. Your A, your B, so they're double-sided obviously then. That clicks in place okay. Turn her off. I'm not sure if the light's on here. Possible? Yeah, barely. I can hear it running. No, I can't hear it running, that's me on PC. Okay, so we have got a power light on the front on here anyway, and the power light's already here. Ooh, let me put a quick cut into this video and get the cable and plug her into the TV and see if there's actually a picture coming out of this. Right, we're all rigged up. The composite cable's in. Composite? Component? Component, not composite, yeah. Right, let's turn her on. Power light's on. Drive's clicking away. I'm getting no picture at all. There's nothing there on the screen. I'm in the right mode. Oh, hear that? So the audio's working fine. Something's not exactly right with it. Ooh, that don't sound right. Probably that cable that goes into the back of the TV. No, I'm getting no picture at all on the screen, even with reset. Let's try with the coax and see if that actually gets us a picture. As long as I know that everything's fine on here, then I can go to the next stage, which will be strip down, tear down, and there's a possibility that things are wrong with the actual board anyway, like the +2, the grey one, that was all wrong way around, it was ridiculous. So let me try to get the coax cable on there and tune telly in, and we'll see what we've got. Right, coax cable's in, let's turn her on. Ooh, okay. We actually have, with the coax in, I can't get the camera down, there we go. There you go, my dizzy setup. We have a full loader. C3 basic, calculator, 48K basic. So this should actually work. So let's lock that off. I'm going to try with the Future's 8-bit card. The expansion port. Let's see if she works. Power's back on. You're watching the tail light. You can actually see through there anyway. Ah, there you go. We have this thing working fine with the Future's 8-bit. Turn her on. The picture isn't brilliant, is it? There's a lot of... These are supposed to be white, and obviously it's coming out with a lot of blue coming round it. ZX was there, so... You can... That's quite good actually, I'm quite happy with that. I know it's crap videoing, but you can see me, and you can also see the screen as well, which is quite weird. Right, what should we do? Let's get a J. H. Oh no, they're in order. Are they in order? Jetpack. Okay, so this all works. Start game F5. Right. Oh no. Where you gone? What? Why is that gone? Reset button. There you go. Button to press to turn on the Future's 8-bit. Comes back to where it were. Perhaps an incompatibility. Oh, let's go to Manic Miner, shall we? Everybody loves the sound of Manic Miner. M-A-G. Manic B-C. What? Okay, let's go back up one. Maniac, you dingwit. So it does work, this. And I'm quite happy with it working. Mannequin. Try that one. What level? 1, obviously. What on God's earth? This is a little bit of a... Oh, it's a level editor. Yeah, okay. Right, so let's get back to the actual reason for this video, which is an unboxing. It's not a play around one anyway, yeah, I'm not showing exactly how it works. It does work with the computer as 8-bit. Drive needs looking into, power supply needs cleaning. Yeah, everything seems to, shall we say, possibly work, but it needs some bringing into the 21st century. With the plus 2 grey, there was a mod that wouldn't actually work. The external RGB cable would not work for this, and that was it was known for a while, and must have been so many took back to the factory saying it doesn't work with the cable. It works in the car, it don't work with that. But there was yeah, the IOs are putting the wrong way around. So there is mods I need to do with this. So we've got plenty of things to do. I'm excited it works. I'm excited that works. That works on the plus 2 as well. But yeah, this is a double thumbs up. I only paid £50 for this. This is about, what, €60, $65 or something for that. With the amount of work that I might have to put into this, yeah, of course it's worth it. I mean, a good clean down, a good strip down. Try and get the drive working so we can get all these floppies working inside it. That'd be quite good, actually. I've also got micro drives I need to do as well. I'm miles behind all my Spectrum stuff, aren't I? I need to get on with it. So, yeah. There you go. 30-year-old unboxing. Way out of date. But hope you enjoy it, because I'm going to bloody love playing with this. Getting this fixed up. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Go out and buy your own if you can. These are quite rare, the plus 3s, the disc drives. The QLs are even more rarer, as well as the toast racks, the 128s. If you've got one and want to give it me, please get in touch. I would love to buy one off you. Unless this video has been watched 10 years in the future, then I've already got one, then yeah, send another one. I'm only kidding. Thanks for watching anyway. I'll see you in the next video, and follow me on social media if you like. If not, then leave us a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.